Whether you prefer to sit on the floor or in a chair, make sure you will feel comfortable. If you are sitting cross-legged on the floor, sit upright and feel relaxed. If you are sitting in a chair, keep your feet a little bit apart from each other. Take off your shoes. Rest your hands, palms facing upward, open on your lap. In this guided meditation, we will focus on connecting through thoughtless awareness with our spirit, which is in the heart. Let us begin by putting our attention on our breathing. Take a few deep breaths and try to feel your heart relaxing every time you breathe out. Slowly reduce your breathing. Every time you breathe out, try to strengthen your attention at the top of the head in the Sahasrara Chakra. Allow the mental silence and peace to slowly settle into your being. Keep your attention in the Sahasrara. Let's put our right hand on the heart. And now watch our breathing again. With our attention on the heart, let's watch our breathing. Let's see that the breathing becomes less and less, slower and slower. Let's watch our breathing, feeling the heart at the same time. Please repeat silently within yourself. Mother Kundalini, please give me sincerity in my heart. Mother, I am sincere towards myself. Mother, I am sincere towards my meditation. Mother Kundalini, I am not this body. I am not this mind. I am not these emotions. I am not the ego. Mother, I am the pure spirit. Feel the surrendering in your heart. It is not us who are doing the meditation. It is our connection, our Kundalini, which has taken us into the state of thoughtless awareness. Again, feeling our heart. Let's put our attention on our breathing and feel the heart relaxing every time we breathe out. And our mental silence deepening. Let us now put our right palm on the fontanelle bone. Station our attention on the sahasrara. Then lift our right hand upwards slowly, 2 or 3 inches above the head. See if we can feel the cool breeze of the Kundalini emanating from the fontanelle bone. We can take down the right hand and try it with the left hand to see if we can feel the cool breeze of the Kundalini 2 or 3 inches directly above the fontanelle bone. Let's keep both our hands on the lap. Keep our attention in the sahasrara. enjoy this meditation.